Hey guys, it is Jen with Mother Thyme. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so happy you are here. And if you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this darling Easter carrot bouquet. Isn't it so cute? I absolutely love this. This looks great hung on a door, or you can tuck it in a basket. So many ways you can use this in your Easter decor, and wait until you see what I used to make this. I especially love that this makes a wonderful gifty too to bless somebody with. So maybe if you give flowers to somebody every year, you can give them this instead, and year after year they can use this and always think of you. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this. I cannot wait to show you how I made this, so let's get started. Again, pick up 3 of these baseball carrots in the Easter section at Walmart. Once you take it out of the packaging, you're going to just smush in the end. It's very easy to do with your fingertips just to create a pointed end. You can also find a full supply list of everything you need to create these carrots in the description below. And this is what my ends look like. Next, I cut some Poly Fil extra loft batting from Hobby Lobby, 15 by 20 inches, and I'm taking some hot glue, adding it to my bat, and then I'm going to tightly wrap the batting around the bat. I make sure that I'm wrapping it around tightly, especially around the narrow end of the bat, so this keeps its shape. Once I've added enough batting, I'm going to take some hot glue and put the end of the batting in place and then trim off the excess. I'm also giving a nice tug at the end just so that narrow part really stays in shape. Next, I'm going to trim the excess batting from the top and the bottom. And this is what it looks like. Next, I'm using my scissors and carefully poking a hole on top and then taking my greenery pick and pushing it through that hole. Once it's in there, it's securely in place, but you could add some hot glue if you'd like as well. Now I'm going to wrap the batting around the other 2 carrots. If you don't want to use the scissors, if you have a drill handy, you could easily poke a hole using that. Now I have all 3 carrots wrapped in the batting and the stems are secure. Now it's time to add the fabric. So I have 3 pieces of fabric that I cut 12 by 19, and this fabric is from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to lay out my fabric and add my carrot to the end, leaving about 1 inch at the top and bottom. Now I'm going to add some hot glue and tightly wrap that fabric around till I've gone all the way around. I roll this up almost like I'm making a burrito, nice and tight, so that fabric is nice and tight when I go around. Once I've gone all the way around, now I'm going to add some more hot glue and secure that end in place and then trim off the excess. Giving a gentle tug to the fabric at the end just so it really holds its shape. I am trimming the fabric right up against the glue line. The top, I am folding the excess fabric under, and then I'm going to hot glue that in place. So I fold, tuck, then glue to give it almost a pleated look. And for the bottom, I'm going to secure that like I'm wrapping a present. I'm going to fold both sides in and then fold the other sides in. One down, two to go. I'm going to slow this step down again just so you can see how I do the top and the bottom. A wooden stick, this one is from Dollar Tree, is very helpful to help poke the fabric into the hot glue to keep it in place. Once I have all 3 carrots done, I'm going to bundle them up and then wrap them up with this burlap ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to take some raffia. This raffia is from Dollar Tree, and wrap it around the top stems. I'm going to add some twine to the back to hang this. I have this cute little carrots tag. This carrots tag is available to download for free on the blog, and there's a link for it in the description below. I just used some regular copy paper, and then once I cut it out, I just crinkled it up a little bit, put a hole in it with a hole punch, and now I'm going to take some of that raffia to tie it up. And here are the carrots all done. I absolutely love the way this turned out. It looks like something that I purchased at a craft show. I hope you enjoyed this as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.